come stain this maple bench with me. I'll be using my favorite brush, Wooster Shortcut, and also some blue shop towel. Of course, you're gonna need your stain. Mine is gonna be the golden pecan, and I'll start by dipping my brush in the stain and literally spreading it all over the bench. I like to start with the bottom, and as you can see, I'm messy, but I feel like this helps me not to miss any spots. And you gotta make sure to spread it all over your piece. Once I finish one side, I'll start cleaning the excess before it dries up. I'll repeat these steps all over the bench, applying the stain with the brush and cleaning the excess. Next, I'll flip the bench and do the same thing to the top. Make sure to clean your piece before staining it. When you get to the edges, you have to apply a lot of stain. The end graining tends to absorb it a little differently and darker than the rest. Now it's cleaning time again. And then I just need to leave it drying overnight so I can apply the top clear coats. I use 3 coats of water-based polyurethane to seal and protect it. And done! I hope you liked watching our staining process.